Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This weekend for Mother's Day, I took the entire day on Saturday for myself and I went shopping for some pieces around my house and I found some amazing home decor finds at Target. So today I'm going to share those with you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here, my name is Sarah. I'm a mommy to 5. I'm pregnant with my 6th. And on this channel, you'll find a lot of motherhood, cleaning content, and home decor. I have a love for home decor. We recently bought our house about 2 years ago now, and we've kind of been like renovating it room by room, and I love sharing that with my channel. Today, though, I am bringing you a haul of all of the amazing decor finds that I found at Target this weekend. Now, I will say that Target is not usually the first place that I go shopping when it comes to home decor because sometimes I feel like their stuff is a little bit overpriced. Hobby Lobby is my ride or die, but unfortunately, with everything that's happening in the world, Hobby Lobby in my area is not open yet. So this weekend, when I was going out for a day to myself, I decided to venture into a few stores, put my mask on, and kind of just went to look to see if I could find anything. We are actually in the midst right now of a major laundry room renovation, and I'm going for like a boho theme. So a lot of these items are going to fit into my laundry room, but I was actually really impressed with what I found. So with all that being said, I'm going to stop rambling and go ahead and get into the haul. So the first thing that I found are just 2 simple picture frames. These are kind of like whitewashed. This is a 4x6, and then I got it in a 5x7 as well. I figured these would be cute to pair together on a shelf in any room of my home. But like I said, the intention is to use them in my laundry room. So we will see if that happens. Like I said, please be sure that you subscribe to my channel if you want to see a huge laundry room renovation. I'm so excited about it. Another thing that I found was this in the hearth and hand section. It's just like this little pot. It's kind of like it is ceramic, but it looks a little bit like faux wicker, and I loved it. So I actually bought this in various sizes. The large one was $20, and then the small one was $13, and I loved it. I doubt I'll pair them side by side, but I thought that these would be super cute to put my Tide Pods down in. Just a good way to like hide the, hide the necessities of a laundry room. But I loved these, and I love that I found them in 2 various sizes. I also found this amazing wicker basket, and this was actually a steal. This is in the hearth and hand as well. It was originally $25, and I got it for $12.99, I think, or $12.50, something like that. But I don't exactly know what I'm going to do with this yet. Originally, I was thinking about putting a fiddle leaf tree down in it, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But I could use this in so many places in my house. So for $12.99, I was really excited to find this. I will say that right now I have noticed at Target that they have a lot more sales. And I assume that's due to everything that's going on in the world. But hey, it's a win-win. I also found just this little plant. You can never have enough little plants to throw into any room. This one was $5. And then I found this larger plant, which I really love. I don't really have any fake plants that kind of have like this type of leaf in my house. And I thought this was like super boho and is going with that whole vibe that I'm going for my laundry room. And like I said, a lot of these items, if I choose not to use them in my laundry room, I can use them in other places in my home. So this was $15. Now, Target was having a major sale on their frames this weekend. I was kind of shocked. I've never seen Target's frames so inexpensive. So I got all of these frames in this bag. I bought 4 frames. They were $4.25 a piece. Like, that's like so cheap. That's like Walmart price, but like Target quality. So I got 2 of these larger black frames. I can either put them horizontally or vertically. And like I said, these were $4.25. So I got 2 of these. And then I also got 2 of these like faux wood, and I love these. They would be so good to pair together. You could pair them in all kinds of different ways. And I just thought like $4.25, like that quality is so good for $4.25. I was super excited. And along the lines of the frames, I also got this large centerpiece frame for $17.25. I was so excited that this was that cheap. It was originally, I think this was the one that was originally $20, but when it rang up, it was $17.25. So I'm super excited about that. So that is what I found at Target in terms of home decor. But I figured since we were doing a haul video, I might as well show you the rest of the stuff that I got. I actually went to Big Lots, and then I went to a local store called Home Buys. Big Lots and Home Buys, I knew both of those sold groceries, so I figured that they were still open. And they also have some pieces of home decor in them. And at Big Lots, I will say that I feel like I scored in terms of like faux plants. And at Home Buys, I scored as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you those because why not? We're already in this video, right? So first things first, at Home Buys, I found this like lavender wreath. If you have been watching for a bit, you know that with all the stuff happening, I became a homeschool mom and that my formal dining room got turned into the homeschool room. And unfortunately, in that room, we still have like winter wreaths up. So I needed a new wreath to kind of spruce up the space. So I found this wreath for $12. I was super excited. Home Buys is kind of like a bargain type store where basically if major stores have like overstock of items, they will send them to Home Buys and then you can buy them at a discounted price. So they kind of have like a mix of everything, like I said, including groceries. But this was the real steal at Home Buys on this particular day. And it goes with this whole Target haul because it's actually like a Target line. So I found Hearth and Hand twin bedding. It is like a simple like striped pattern. I love it. The little boys, we recently moved them into a room together. And so I needed to get matching bedding for them. And y'all, this was a steal. I actually told all of my friends that are local about this and they all went and bought the same bedding. So all of our little boys are going to have the same bedding, but you could not beat the price. So this Hearth and Hand is originally $50. I got it for $12.99. $12.99. So I was able to get both little boys comforters and shams to match for like $33. They also had the matching sham that was marked down to I think it was $4, and it was originally $15. So like you can't beat that. I'm so excited. We are actually ordering their new beds this week, and then I'll be able to put all that together. So there's a lot of home decor videos to come in the future. Okay, and then also at Home Buys, they always have like cute little vases and things like that, really inexpensive. So I was able to get these two vases. This is kind of like, it picks up a little bit of a blush, but not really. And it has like some tans and taupes, but I love this little vase set. And these they're not marked, but I think this vase was like $6 and this was like $2.99. So super cute. And then for Big Lots, like I said, I feel like I really scored when it came to like faux plants. I don't know about you, but with that like boho vibe that I'm going for my laundry room, I feel like that just needs a lot of like greenery. So I'm going to show you what I found. I feel like I went a little overboard buying there, but I can always take stuff back or use it in another space in my home. But this is the first piece that I found at Big Lots. Try to keep it out of my face. But I loved this vase. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it just has like a great pattern on it. We are accenting with black in my laundry room, which is a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I loved that that particular piece had the big greenery and then the black vibe that I could accent in. So I'm really excited to try that in this space. We are currently in the midst of that renovation, so that video should be out here in the next couple weeks. Hopefully not too long because honestly I'm nesting and I'm ready to like get some stuff rolling. Another thing that I found at Big Lots is like this little faux cactus plant. This was, it says it was $12. I don't think it was that expensive. I think it was actually on sale. But I found this little plant and then I found this like little planter. It has the woods, it has the white. This was $10 and I thought that this looked really cute down in there. So that's probably how I will style that on the shelf, but I just like that it gave me options. And then I also found another similar style plant, just the other one, but it has a black face, kind of has like some detailing to it. Really like it. This was $14. The last piece that I found at Big Lots was this piece, and I actually found this in the bathroom decor section, which goes to show you that if you go into a store with a certain room in mind that you're going to decorate, you can look in all areas of the store to find pieces for it. I love this little piece. I love that it had like the black that I'm trying to pull in, and it also can be used for storage, for anything practical for the laundry room. And my plan with this is to actually spray paint this lid a copper color because I'm also doing accents of copper in the laundry room. But I just thought it was super cute. This was, Big Lots doesn't mark their stuff very well, but I think this was like $6. So that's all that I found this weekend as I was out shopping for various rooms of my house. Like I said, I have quite a few big room renovations getting ready to come on my channel. So if you like any type of like home decor videos or room renovations, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on this YouTube journey. And if you like any of these items, I highly suggest heading over to Target soon and catching them while they're on sale. I was really surprised by how much I was able to find, actually pretty inexpensively. I'm still counting down the days for Hobby Lobby to open, but I was really happy with Target's home decor this weekend. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.